If you are wondering if there is Spotify available on Xiaomi Watch 5, then the answer is yes. This watch does indeed have the option to have Spotify, but in order to have it, you need to actually download it first. So we can open the list of apps, we can press the crown in order to do so, and then we need to find the Play Store. Wrong app, sorry, let's go to the Play Store, there we go. And then here you can, for example, try to scroll down in order to see if we can find Spotify in the main menu. There we go. In my case, I found it over here. But of course, you can also use the search field at the top. And then, for example, you can use the microphone or the keyboard in order to search for Spotify. So if you cannot find it on the list, then of course, we can use that. And then we should be able to find it. There we go. We have the install button as well. And what you can also do is you can just scroll all the way down in the main menu. And then you can open the Play Store on your phone if it is, of course, available. And then on your phone, you should be able to, of course, search for Spotify. And then you can try to install it here. Now, in my case, it seems that the device has a network problem or something. There should be the install button. But in my case, I'm going to try to retry. And then, of course, there we go. I am now downloading. And once it is downloaded on my watch, I can, of course, find it here on the list of apps, and then you should be able to open it. And there we go. Here we have Spotify. We can open it quite easily, and you should be able to enjoy it on your Xiaomi Watch 5. Leave a like and subscribe.